Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to leave a league in FC Mobile. Whether you want to join a new league, take a break or just manage your team differently, leaving a league is simple, so let's dive in. First of all, launch open FC Mobile game on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. From the main lobby screen of FC Mobile, tap on Leagues at the bottom. Inside the Leagues menu, go to the top left corner and tap on the Gear button. You'll then be able to see the league settings. Tap on Quit the League in order to leave the league. Click on Confirm in the pop-up and click on Confirm once again, and you will then be able to leave the current league that you've joined into on FC Mobile. Now your profile will no longer be part of it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.